out there in my universal world of peeps. Yes, you. I'm coming at you because we are celebrating. We have hit a milestone. Yes, we have. Oh, yes, we have. Why have we hit a milestone, Katrina?
2 years on YouTube, baby.
That's it, 2 years. We're toddlers. Oh, yeah. But we ain't the naughty type, okay?
Right.
Yeah, we're toddlers. But Katrina is actually, wait a minute, first thing first, look at this gorgeous kitchen.
Yeah, as you can tell, this isn't our kitchen.
This is not our kitchen. We are in it, yes.
My good friends just got this kitchen, their kitchen redone. There's an extension on their house. And it's their wedding anniversary this weekend, so I'm looking after their kids and their house.
So Katrina is babysitting.
And house stroke babysitting.
And my thing is consistency. So if the mountain couldn't come to Mohammed, Mohammed has to go to the mountain.
So I'm the mountain.
You're the mountain.
Fair enough.
So I've had to come here today because basically we need to get some more videos recorded. And not only that, I looked in my fridge today and look at the state of this broccoli. It's starting to flower. It's going all yellow. Yeah. It's not green.
It's not great.
Now, most of y'all, I know, you'd have been it, but not me. I don't bend it. I spin it. So I thought with something like that, and also look at these potatoes.
Yeah, they could use a bit of.
Can you see? Look at that. I mean, they are really not nice. So I need a smaller knife. Have you not got a smaller knife?
Yeah, over there in the knife.
See here. Yeah, there we go. So what I thought I wanted to do for you, I wanted to just show you. What you do is you just trim off all these dark bits, because I promise you, somewhere underneath here is a potato. And it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be making a broccoli, potato, and cheddar cheese soup. Now most people, they make like broccoli and Stilton. I didn't want to go that route. I wanted to go the cheddar route. And I also I got some smoked cheese. So I think that'll be really nice. And we're gonna have it with some crusty baguettes, okay? So first thing you wanna do is you just wanna, if you got any old potatoes, get them out because they make great soups. All right, and all it takes is a little bit of time just to trim them down. So I have trimmed up all my potatoes, okay? They're gonna be cut up quite small because we will be boiling them. So the first thing first is I've got some butter, and I'm putting some butter in a pan. And to that butter, I'm going to add some onions. Now, all of this is going to be blended down together, but we want to cook those onions off. Let me take that bit off. I don't need that. Let's get the next bit of onion in. Now, this month, it is May. And May, you should all know by now, is the best month of the year. Not only is it the month that the Queen is born, Her Majesty, my auntie, it is also my birthday. It is also the month that Meghan Markle and Harry's baby's gonna be born.
Nah, they had that baby 3 weeks ago. Watch.
I bet you it was.
I bet you that baby's been born.
Oh, you think it's gonna come out
that
walking
baby
and talking?
has been born.
No, it hasn't.
We are not going to see photos of that baby till it's 6 months old.
Yeah, but you know what?
And you know what? Good for them.
It's a Taurus. Let me just get this here. Keep that there, and I'm gonna add. I bought with me. Y'all know me.
You did.
You know me. As I did, I bought my own love dust with me. So let me get some love dust in here with this, because you know I like to season my pot. Here, let's put some in there. Alrighty. Oh, good. Nice wooden spoon.
And I just switched the light on. You got what? You got what on your leg?
Bird poo.
Bird poo? Let me see.
No.
Would you like me to wash your leg, Alexandra?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that chicken poo? Because they got chickens. Or is that like a proper bird that was flying around?
Bird flying around.
A bird flying around, okay.
I will clean it off for you in a second, sweet pea.
Give us a second. We just want to get this going. So once I get this all going, then we're going to be good to go. So, cutting up these potatoes nice and kind of just into cubes, really. And that's just so that they cook quicker. Alright, so, oh, wait a minute, before they go in, this bag here has my garlic, okay? You know me, I like to soak my own garlic. I'm going to throw it in whole.
I know where the bowl is off.
Do you?
Yep.
Okay, we don't need a bowl just yet, sweetheart. But when we do, you can show us where it's kept.
Throw that in there.
Okay. Thank you, Alexandra.
And now...
This is shy Alexandra from the cake video. Told you she wasn't shy.
You look like a little footballer, girl.
I am. I want to try it.
There you. So let's do this. Now have a look at this. Look at these potatoes. That's nice.
We're making a broccoli soup, Alexandra.
Oh, God.
Do you not like broccoli?
Okay, now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off this yellow bit. Cut my broccoli up. Okay, just I've trimmed off some of the yellow bits. And now we're going to add this. But before we add the broccoli, I've got a kind of like a stock pot. And this is my rich and smoky one, which I just love this one. I love the flavors.
Smoky one.
Not cigarette smoke, child. It's a flavor.
Alexandra is stealing your cheese.
Alexandra, leave that cheese, girl. I put that stock pot in. Now I'm just going to add the broccoli.
Close that, please, Alexandra.
Okay.
And then to the broccoli, I'm just going to now top this up. Whoa! With some water. Why is this kettle leaking?
Problem when you use other people's appliances, you don't know how
You
to
know
No, that's for the coffee.
Careful, careful, Alexandra. It's hot water.
Get back.
Stand
That's coffee.
back. It's a kettle, sweetheart. It's for hot water.
Alrighty,
And
so
it's
we're just going to let this now come to the boil because we need to, let me wipe that down.
da 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 da.
Whoops.
You switched it off.
Oh, these fancy, because y'all know I ain't used to this fancy stuff.
Oh my.
There you go. And then you need to press that.
Poo everywhere.
Yeah, I'm going to clean you off there.
Alright, there
Yeah,
you go.
that's like.
Oh, put that in the sink. Alexandra.
Oh, girl.
Wash
Children.
your hands, young lady.
Oh my God.
I need to sort her out.
Alrighty, so next step, once that boils, before we do that, I just need to show you this because I want to add some cream to this because it's going to be cream. And I went to get my sour cream, and this is some sour cream dip that I made last week, but it's not quite enough. So what I'm going to do, is this the only milk they have?
There's a massive, yeah.
No, there's this one.
There's that little one at the back. All right, just stay there, Alexandra. I'm going to clean you off. Just give me a
So
sec.
what I'm going to do,
Yeah, I know.
I am just adding this milk to that cream. Okay, and we'll be adding that to the soup in a bit, but not until the very last minute when we add all of our cheddar cheese and our smoked cheese. So we'll come back to you in a minute because that's got to cook first. Hello, April, come over here. If you look at this, you can see it's all nice, and what you do is this. Okay, it's soft. So what we're going to do at this stage, before we blend it, because we are going to blend it, but before we blend it, I'm going to add,
Is that smoked cheese?
this is smoked cheese. So I'm just going to cut this into chunks. Okay, so you saw me, remember I put some milk, I added some milk to this sour cream, so we're just going to add that straight to our pot. Get every bit of it. Then we're going to add our smoked cheese. And we're going to add all of this grated cheese.
What kind of cheese is that, Mum?
This is just cheddar.
Okay, is it a strong one? Is it a mild
It's a
one?
mildish. Because I thought the kids might want to try it. We never know.
Eden likes broccoli, so he might try it.
So we'll give that a stir. Now what we need here is some black pepper. see what.
There you go.
Here we go. Let's add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to blitz it up a bit. So, this literally, can you give me this way? Mm-hmm. So this is like a creamy soup. This looks good.
Oh, it does look good.
So let me just taste this a little bit.
Is it nice? Is it missing something?
It's missing something, but it is very.
Can I taste it before you say what it's missing to see if I can guess what it's missing?
Yeah.
See if we agree with the same thing. Okay, hold on. It's missing salt.
Yes. Yes, it is. Now that's the one thing I couldn't find here. She only has that little tiny. She must have some more salt.
Is that not salt?
Okay, I put a touch more of my love dust in and some salt because it was missing something. But look how creamy that's come out, and it is. So I am going to sit down and have a bowl of soup with some crusty bread, and let's see how this is. Let me see.
How is it?
Mmm. That's delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. I need y'all to try this, okay? And you see, this is made from leftover things that were ready for the bin. Mmm. This is good. You know what? I think next time I do me a pop-up or something, I'm gonna put this on the menu.
Yeah, okay.
Because this is so. I'm just gonna say to y'all, it's whole lot of love and some soul from the mama in her creamy smoked cheese and broccoli soup.
Next dodge, Mum. He's drinking.
It's good. Get it. Oh, wait a minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you on the other side in the next video. Coming at you in a couple of days. Bye.